how to pay with cash on DoorDash. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay with cash on your DoorDash account. So first of all, just simply open your DoorDash account, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. You can also use your Google account or your Facebook account in order to log in successfully. I'm using my Google account right here. And after that, just simply choose the email address with which you want to log into your DoorDash account. And once you have logged in into your DoorDash account, just simply go to the profile section from the top right corner of your mobile screen. And from there, just simply scroll down and go to the money section. Just simply go to the payment settings. And over here, when you will scroll till the bottom, you will be able to see the pay on delivery. You just simply have to click on pay on delivery, and after that just simply enable the pay on delivery option if you have disabled it. And once you enable the pay on delivery option, then you will be able to pay the DoorDash delivery partner when you will receive your parcel on your doorstep, and that's how you will be able to pay with cash on your DoorDash account. So this is basically how you'll do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.